Hello, good day everyone. I'm John Carl Nunez from ME2208, and today we're going to solve problem 6.15. First, it's a problem. The overhanging beam carries a concentrated load at its free end. Derive the expression for the displacement under the load. Assuming the beam is a 0.75 inches diameter steel rod, evaluate the displacement under the load and the maximum bending stress in the rod. Use B is equals to 24 inches, P is equals to 25 pounds, and E is equals to 29 times 10 raised to 6 psi. First is the given. We have here a diameter of 0.75 inches, a length parameter of 24 inches, a load of 25 pounds, a modulus of elasticity of 29 times 10 raised to 6 psi, where AB is equals to 2B and BC is equals to B. What are we going to find in this problem? First is the expression for displacement under the load. Next is the numerical displacement and maximum bending stress. Before we solve the problem, let us first analyze it. The overhanging beam shown in problem 6.15 is supported by a pin at point A and a roller at point B, with a concentrated load P acting downward at the free end C. The distance between A to B is 2B, while the overhanging portion from B to C is B. The objective is to determine the displacement at the point where the load is applied and to calculate the maximum bending stress in the beam. So the solution begins by determining the support reactions using the equation of static equilibrium. Taking moments about point A, the reaction at support B is obtained as RB is equals to 3P over 2. Using the vertical force at equilibrium equation, the reaction at support A becomes Ra is equals to negative P over 2. The negative sign indicates that the reaction at A acts downward. After obtaining the reactions, the bending moments equations for each segment of the beam are established. For the section between A and B, the bending moment is expressed as m1x is equals to negative p over 2x. For the overhanging section between B and C, the bending moment equation becomes m2x is equals to px minus 3pb. To determine the displacement at the free end C, Castellanos theorem is applied according to this theorem. The deflection at point of application of a load can be obtained by differentiating the total strain energy of the beam with respect to that load. The strain energy due to bending is written as U is equals to integral of m squared all over 2 EI dx. Uh, where E is the modulus of elasticity and I is the moment of inertia of the beam section. Substituting the bending moment equations into the strain energy expression and evaluating the integrals for both beam segments yields uh, U is equals to P squared B cubed all over 2EI. Differentiating this expression with respect to P gives the displacement at point C, which is uh, deflection of C is equals to partial U over partial P. The displacement equation is Therefore the displacement equation is the deflection of the beam at the free end is directly proportional to the applied load and the cube of the beam length, and inversely proportional to the beam stiffness. Next, we're going to solve for the B. For the numerical solution, the beam is specified as a steel rod with a diameter of 0.75 inches. A length parameter B is equals to 24 inches. A load of P is equals to 25 pounds and a modulus of elasticity of 29 times 10 raised to 6 psi. The moment of inertia of the circular rod is first calculated using uh, I is equals to pi d raised to 4 all over 64. Substituting the diameter gives us 0.01553 inches raised to 4. The displacement under the load is then determined by substituting all known values into the deflection equation of deflection C is equals to PB raised to 3 all over EI. And we can get the answer of 0.000768 inches. Or we can evaluate it as 7.68 times 10 raised to negative 4 inches downward. Uh, Second is the maximum bending stress. The maximum bending stress occurs at support B, where the bending moments is largest. The maximum moments is Mmax is equals to PB, where 35 pounds times 24 inches is equals to 600 pound inches. Using the flexure formula of maximum stress is equals to MC all over I, where C is equals to D over 2 is equals to 0.375 inches. The maximum bending stress becomes uh, 600 pound inch times 0.375 inches all over 0.01553 inches raised to 4. And we can get the maximum stress value of 14,488 psi. And we can evaluate it as maximum stress is equals to 14.488 ksi. That's all. Thank you.